In today's video, we want to talk about how can you maximize your open house signs. Now, we like to talk about creative, innovative solutions here with our videos so you can be able to have more success with the process of being able to maximize your open house signs as a licensed real estate professional. Open house signs have been used the way they've been used for many, many years. Stay to the end so you can get the whole idea and concept so you can be able to get more leads and more conversations with innovative ways to maximize your open house signs. So it's not just going to be about that open house and the house itself. It's going to be way more about the community and ways for you to be able to maximize your open house and open house signs and also QR codes. So welcome. My name is Lloyd Kinsey III, CEO and co-founder of Liftoff Agent. This is a #1 marketing and positioning agency for licensed real estate professionals. We also help and serve mortgage professionals as well. And the intention behind our videos is to add additional value so you can be able to leverage your past efforts for your future successes. So welcome, and I'm super excited for today's video. And if you do find value, like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell. So let's talk about your open house signs. So I was actually taking a run on a Saturday morning with my wife, and I saw that there's two homes for sale right across the street from each other. So a little bit opposite. One open house sign just had the name and then the phone number. The other one had the name, the phone number, and also a QR code. There's two different options here. So you can make a phone call. That's pretty traditional. And they can, of course, then go ahead and maybe potentially look you up on social media from your open house sign. The other sign was the QR code. So you can scan the QR code. Do you have a QR code on your open house signs? So then when I scanned the QR code, it actually went to the agent's website. It talked about various things outside of the listing specifically. So who here is watching right now that actually has a QR code that directly goes to the single property website? Now, when you think about selling your home, and this is where I think a lot of licensed real estate professionals are missing out on, and what we like to help with thought-provoking concepts around the idea that if you don't make it just about the home itself, but if you make it about the actual surrounding areas, like for instance, I live off of a golf course. So highlighting the golf course could be an actual value proposition to attract a potential buyer to this property or to one of the properties down the street from our house currently. Now, what about shopping? So what is there to do in regards to shopping locally? What is there to do for restaurants locally, massage places, dry cleaners? Imagine on your open house sign, you basically have a QR code specifically for that listing. And you may be thinking, I don't want to have a new open house sign for every single listing because it's not going to be cost effective. And you would be right. So this is what you could do. You can have an open house sign that's aluminum or potentially metal that can actually, like a magnet could stick to it. And if that's not the case, you could use a sticker to be able to watch the video walkthrough tour. They can also be able to find out the price. They can also find out on days on market. They can also find out what is around that specific area. So imagine you potentially want to earn someone's business, but that person that is actually going to, how many people have gone to your open house event and they didn't sign in, or they signed in, they said they're already working with a real estate professional? Well, imagine if you just had the formal listing presentation page. So it's going to give you a formal presentation of the listing, where then what happens is, this is some time to take some notes here. You can do a couple of these things within the page so you can start capturing leads right off the bat. Something called warmly.com will give you first name, last name, and contact information of someone that goes to your website, and they don't have to do anything at all. Now you can find out who watches the video walkthrough tour. You want to make the video walkthrough tour unlisted, so then you can be able to show your home sellers that you had this many people to the page, this many people watched the actual video walkthrough tour, this many leads came to the page because you had warmly.com. You can also plant a Facebook pixel and retarget the folks that go to that page as well. So those are just going to be a few different ideas of how to maximize the traffic that's going to the page from the QR code. Get the individual buyers the opportunity to imagine the possibility of buying that home, shopping at the stores, going to the restaurants, enjoying the golf club and golf course, and have the opportunity to be able to really focus on, yes, you want to sell the property, but you also want to think about the area. Why? Because if someone doesn't want that specific home, but they maybe want to buy the home across the street, and they went to your formal listing presentation page and they saw the presentation that you gave and you got them excited about, say, not just the home, but the area, and they said, oh my God, this is going to be a place, like maybe the husband and the wife were watching the videos and they're like, hey, this is going to be a place we really want to live. So now they're going to start looking at homes locally, and because you already were 10 steps ahead and now you're retargeting, you called them, maybe they even downloaded a comprehensive buyer's guide that showcased the area. Now you're building know, like, and trust in your sleep, and you're giving individuals the opportunity to potentially want to do business with you. Now they're curious about working with you because of the fact of what you've done and what you've already premeditated through the process of advertising not just the home, but the area. This is the direction that we're headed in real estate. And if you're watching this video, you're watching it for a reason. And here at Liftoff Agent, this is what we specialize in doing. So building you out a website and something like the Living in Dallas, Texas website, and making sure that there's going to be pages about relocation, making sure that there's going to be guides that could be downloaded and YouTube content that's going to showcase what could you potentially buy in a specific area. Let me download that specific guide to get additional information. Let's look up other featured properties which you potentially could also have on that page, where you want individuals that go to your page to be singularly focused. But think about it and imagine if you were to add more value, what that could do for your business. So this is what I want to do. Liftoffagent.com, underneath resources. If I go into, let's go down to free resources, PDF resources. I want to take you down to the one that's going to be right here, your 10 game-changing tools for your website. And so this is going to give you 10 out of like the 5 I gave you in today's video. That's going to help you through the process to be able to maximize your website and or a page like I'm talking about. Now, you don't have to hire a marketing company or hire us specifically. You can actually download this guide and you can go on to, say, Canva, and you could use Canva to build a landing page there and just be proactive and think to yourself, what would someone want to know when they move to said location? Because as a homeowner of this home, my realtor really failed to basically give me much information about the area at all. Not to mention, I don't know how many areas that you serve and how far you go out. It might make more sense to niche down, because when you do niche down and you are focused specifically in a closer area, then you can be able to talk about the schools and the parks and the restaurants and have guides and have videos where the individuals can then download those guides, that information, and have more success through that process. So there's going to be videos coming out here in the near future about customer journeys and how you basically can maximize a customer journey. A lot of licensed real estate professionals, mortgage professionals, individuals in our space, they really don't think about what it looks like outside of just basically the one thing, which is just helping someone buy that one home, and not thinking to themselves that, hey, you could take advantage of evergreen content, search engine optimization, area, people doing search, you capturing that data, retargeting, guides that could be downloaded. All this is possible with having a single property website, marketing your property to have more success at the end of the day. If you need help with this process, there will be a link down below to set up a no obligation online strategy call, and we'll go deeper into specifically what we're talking about so you can be able to leverage something like this. I would recommend a website and a single property website that ties in together. So then that way you can have like a catalog of your past listings, and basically the actual landing page doesn't have to be taken down. You can keep the landing page up and basically be able to take advantage of future people looking up that address, finding that page, and finding all that information. So if you found value and that was helpful, please like, subscribe, hit the notification bell. We'd love to be of service here at Liftoff Agent, whether you just want to download that guide underneath resources, but down below there's a link, or just comment down below 10, and we'll go ahead and just automatically give you the guide and we'll send it to you directly there where you're at. So just comment the word 10 down below, link down below, of course, to download the guide, and a link down below to set up a strategy call. God bless, take care, have an amazing rest of your day. Like, subscribe, notification bell, and we'll see you on the next one. Stay tuned for how to set up a customer journey as a licensed real estate professional.